Hello, good afternoon, good evening, and good morning. Or have you ever been pronouncing all the words listed here? The B's in them, have you ever made them enunciated? Have you ever pronounced them before? Have you been pronouncing them? Have you been saying plumber? Have you been saying debtor? Have you been saying thumb, comb? The B's should be silent in them, all of them. So you should say debtor, not debtor. You should say subtle, not saboteur. You should say thumb, not thumb. Okay? You should say plumber, not plumber. Of course, there are lots of them. Okay, let me give you a simple clue to identify when the B's will be silent there. When you notice MB, like comb, womb, tomb, climb. So it's not climbing, no, it's climbing. I hope you've taken note of this. Thank you for learning.